Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music on Canva video. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could hit the subscribe button and the like button, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. As you can see, we are in canva.com, and what we're going to do is we're just going to open up a new project. So we've got our blank template here, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to add your video that you're wanting to add music to. So I'm going to come over here to the left hand side and I'm going to click on uploads. I'm then going to come across to videos here, and then I'm just going to add the video that I want to add some music to. If you want to upload your own file, you can click on this purple upload files here, or you can also go into elements and then you could also search for a video from Canva within there. So we're just going to come back to our video that we've got here, and we're just going to adjust it, make sure that it sort of fits the right frame that we want here. Amazing. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are going to come across to elements at the top here, and then we're going to scroll all the way down until you can see that it says audio. So what we're going to do is we're going to press see all. And as you can see, we have got lots of different audio options that are available to us. Now, just be aware, if it has this crown next to it, that means that you have to have Canva Pro to be able to get access to it. So I have got Canva Pro. So as you can see, if I hover over it, it says, as a Canva Pro subscriber, you get this premium music track for free. So we'll just scroll down and we'll just see if there's any without the crown. Canva doesn't have a lot of free audio for you guys. As you can see, we haven't come across any here. So what I recommend you do if you haven't got Canva Pro is to come across to another website. So if we open up another window and you come to Pixabay, so we're going to give that a click. Amazing. Okay, so we're now on Pixabay, and what you can do is you can type in the search bar here any music that you are wanting, or you can come down to the music button here and give that a click. Okay, amazing. So as you can see here, it says this is royalty free. So all this music is royalty free, which is amazing. So if we scroll down, I'm not going to have a listen to any. I'm just going to click the download button. So I'm just going to give that a click. Amazing. And that has now been downloaded for us. So if we then come back over to our design in Canva, and then if we come across to the left hand toolbar, and if we click on this uploads button, we come up to upload files. And if we go, here we go, you can see in our downloads folder, there was the track that we just downloaded from Pixabay, and it is now moved across to audio. And there you go. You can see that our Better Day audio track is uploading. So we've got this bar under here that's filling up, and now that is loaded. So if you hold down your left button on your mouse, drag that over, and there you go. That is now underneath your video. So what you can do is you can now play that, and then you will have your audio with it. And then if you click on your audio button there, if you need to split anything, change anything, you can do. If you give it a right click, you can see you've got split audio. You can volume, audio effects, adjust, and then edit it to however you would like. And that is how to add music on Canva video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And if you've got any comments or questions, if you leave it in the comments section down below, that will be awesome. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.